How to hide menu bar in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, the steps are going to be same. Now, for any reason you don't want menu bar to be visible each and every time, then you can hide it. Now, how can you hide it? For that, you need to go in system settings. So you can select Apple logo at the top and select system settings, or else you can go in dock and select system settings. Once you open system settings, this is how the system settings page looks like. I am on Mac OS Sonoma, and if you are on Mac OS Sonoma or Mac OS Ventura, the interface will be same. But if you're using previous macOS version, then you can just simply follow the steps, or you can use search option over here. I'll come to that later. Now, once you open system settings, you can scroll down and you can select control center option over here. And once you select control center, you need to scroll down, and at the very bottom, you get an option of automatically hide and show the menu bar. So this is the simple steps by which you can come to this point, or else you can simply, search for menu bar in search option, and in that you can see there is an option of automatically hide and show menu bar. If you select that, you will be redirected to this particular page. Now you can see currently it is set to never, so you need to select this drop down, and if you select always option, now you can see the menu bar has gone. Now if you want to see the menu bar, all you need to do is you need to point your cursor towards the top, and then you will be able to see the menu bar. And as soon as you remove the cursor or pointer from there, automatically the menu bar will be hidden. So that's how simple it is to hide menu bar in your Mac. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.